Okay, so we are getting ready for me to show you how to use Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up a couple of pages. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Google Classroom. And the way that you do that is you are going to go ahead and if it would open, there it goes. Okay. So when you go to your school email, if you'll look at the top of your school email, you'll see these 9 dots. When you click on those 9 dots, oops, sorry, did not want to do that. When you click on those 9 dots, you will see the Google Classroom icon. There'll be your email. You're going to click on the Classroom icon, and you're going to go to Classroom. So this is my classroom. So it shows all of the classes that I have. You will see maybe only creative design or creative arts or maybe family, consumer, fashion, whichever elective you're in. We're just going to work and go ahead through the creative design. So you're going to click on the class that you're in. And I've clicked on creative design. So the first thing you're going to see is this stream. So on the stream it tells you the class period. It will tell you here some of your upcoming assignments. So there is an assignment that's due tomorrow at noon. And these assignments are just listed kind of in the way that I posted them. But what you want to do is go to this button here and click on class work because it is organized for you by week. So we've had week 2, week 3, week 4. And it will tell you what you've got to do. View your work. So in week 2, when we first started school, these were the assignments that were posted. You will notice that there's an icon over here on each side. So these icons are all the clipboard that tells you there's some kind of assignment on there for you to do. It'll tell you the name of the assignment. It will tell you the date that it is due. All of these assignments that are on here for each week are what you're supposed to do for the elective for the week. So I've gone ahead down to week 2, and the reason I did that, there's also a set of assignments called FCCLA. So everyone who is in a Family Consumer Science elective is a member of FCCLA. But I wanted you to see these different icons. So when you see the green icon with the clipboard, that means that you have an assignment to do. These icons that look like, I don't know what that's supposed to be, maybe a bookmark, that is something for you to watch or some material to read. There is no assignment attached to that one, but there's something that you need to do with that information. You see also one that has a question, so there's a question you do have to answer. All right, so you see that you've got some different assignments here. All right, so I've opened up on week 4, which is this current week, one of the assignments. So you had a reading assignment if you're in the creative design class on employability skills. That assignment is due tomorrow, September 11th. It was posted on the 8th. And it tells you that there's 2 things. It says read the article and complete the reading summary, graphic organizer, and questions. So the reading article you're going to read, and then there's a document where you're going to answer the questions. You can also click on this button to view the assignment that way. There's also class comments that you can see. So I've opened this page up on the assignment. Here's my reading assignment. I see that other people have made comments. If you make a class comment, everyone in the class can see it, not just the teacher. You can do a private comment if you want to talk to me, and only you and I can see that comment. In the top right hand side is your work. So here you see that you've got your reading assignment, but then you also have the actual questions. Now I've made this one an editable document so that you can click on it to do your work. When you are done, you're going to click Turn In. You do not turn it in until you've done the work. Don't turn me in a blank form. That's a 0. All right. So you've got an editable form here. You write on it. You can also add or create your own form. You can add or create a document if you need to. You can add or create pictures. You can add videos. So when you click on that, you'll see you can put links in that connect to other pages. But when you're ready for me to grade it, you click Turn In. All right, let me see if we have anything else. All right, so If you have questions on how to use Google Classroom, you need to go ahead and either email me or you can send me a private comment. Please remember that this virtual school, you are graded, you have due dates on work. Each week, the teachers will be checking to see that your assignments are completed for the week. If you do not complete your assignments, then you are counted absent for that week. So you've got to stay on top of it. All right. So again, if you have questions, please make sure you let me know. Thank you.